Okay. Welcome back to Ubalde Official. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a best music in 2026 by using Suno AI for free version, no payment. Even if you have your smartphone, your tablet, your laptop, we are going to working together and show you how to create it and download it and upload it on any platform for free version. So let's start, but before, click on like on this video in order to get recommendation on YouTube, and click on subscribe to support us and to stay connected with us on Ubalde Official. Let's start. So what you need is, let's start from scratch. Open your browsers. You have Google, you have Safari, you have many others, and then you type Suno AI, and then come on this website, and then wait. You will get the dashboard look like this. Yes, this is the dashboard, and then you click on continue as this in your Gmail, or come here and click on join Suno free version. Then you click on ready to make music, create an account to get started. Click on continue with Gmail, and then come here and click on choose your Gmail. Wow. So then you will come here, will get the interface look like this. Rate the music out, and then you should start here by, but remember this is a free version. Yes, this is a free version. There's one review, this is the username, and come here and type the song you want to create. So I'm going to imagine my prompt, but I recommend you to use chatbot to generate the best prompt with humanized prompts to create that music. So create music best dance music of FIFA Cup 2026, like this, and then click on create, and wait. This here you get the like three or four generated version, and then play what you want, and then let me check like this. So like this, yes, you see another version. Okay, when it have done to be generate the weight, and then you come here at this side in your phone or your laptop or your tablet, and click on these three dots, and then come on download, and or you wait until it have been this here finished to be generated. And also here should do download it when it have done to be downloaded. Choose MP3, yes, even also on your smartphone. So but for the commercial use you need pro version. Look like this. You need a pro version look like this. In order you should upload on YouTube, you should upload on Spotify, any other commercial platforms that to prevent or avoid claims, copyright claims. Yes. So if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and stay connected with us. Share with your friends, families, and classmates. And let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.